already we discussed in the Zoom class, even though I am giving the characters of Coelenterata, because with slides I will show you everything, different animals. I will show the slides, because of that you can understand very easily. Okay, my dear students, let's enter into the topic. So these are aquatic. So already aquatic is nothing but they are in the water. So that is in the marine water. Marine water is nothing but the sea water. They are solitary or colonial. Solitary or colonial. Solitary is nothing but they are single. They are not in the group. Group is nothing but they are in the colony. They are called colonial. Sedentary or free swimming. Sedentary or free swimming. Sedentary is nothing but they cannot move. They are at one place and they are attached to the substratum. Free swimming is nothing but they swim in the water. So there is an example is Aurelia for the free swimming animal, and the sedentary example is Wobelia. And the Wobelia, sedentary is the Wobelia, and the free swimming animal is Aurelia. So they are radially symmetrical and the biradial symmetry. So biradial symmetry is exhibited by exception case is sea anemone. Sea anemone is the animal which exhibit biradial symmetry. That is the sea anemone is like this. So it is the mouth is like this. It is extended. Because of that we can cut the animal into through the two planes. Hence that symmetry is called biradial symmetry. The mouth is ఒక విధంగా మౌత్ అనేటటువంటిది సో ఇట్లా మామూలు ఇలా ఉండాల్సింది పోయి మౌత్ అనేటటువంటి కొంచెం ఎక్స్టెండెడ్గా ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్ two planes to cut the animal. That symmetry is called biradial symmetry. And the pentaradial symmetry is example is the starfish, sea anemone. Okay, radially symmetrical animal is nothing but we can cut the animal into two equal halves through many planes because the arrangement of body parts around its axis. Nidoblasts, very very important. The nidoblasts are the cells. They are the cells which are useful for the defense and for the capturing food. They are present in the tentacles. ఇలా వీటికి టెంటకిల్స్ ఉంటాయి దీనిలో అవి ఉండేటటువంటి టెంటకిల్స్లో. సో nidoblasts are the cells. Tissue level of organization. Which level of organization? Tissue level of organization. So for example, you take the porifera, comes under the multicellular level of organization. It is tissue level of organization. The cells which unite and form a tissue. Coelentron or the gastrovascular cavity. For example, you take the hydra. The hydra. See, this is the coelentron. What is this? Coelentron or the gastrovascular cavity. Intracellular or extracellular digestion. And the nerve is diffused nerve net is present. Statocysts or the balancing organs in the aurelians. They are useful during the swimming when it is moving. Say that statocysts are useful for the balancing. This is also one type of sense organ. And here the two basic body forms are present in the coelentrates. Two basic body forms are polyp and medusa. Polyp alternates with medusa, medusa alternates with polyp. Here the polyp, you should know the what is polyp, what is medusa. Polyp is sedentary, asexual form. Medusa is, so it's a free moving, free swimming and the sexual form. See, this sedentary asexual form produces the medusa. Medusa which produces the polyp. So like that there is an alternation of generation takes place, that is also called as metagenesis. Very very important my dear students. Metagenesis. What is that? Metagenesis. Very very important. 2 marks. Okay. Next, the larval form is planula larva. Development is indirect. And the examples, మీకు అందరికీ తెలిసినటువంటిది larval form ఉంటే development indirect. Larva ఏంటి? Planula larva. And the examples are Physalia, Hydra, Wobelia, Aurelia. These are all Scyphozoa, Anthozoa. In the next class, we will discuss the classification of Coelenterata. Again, so ఇవన్నీ ఒక్కసారి దీనిలో important points. Again, I will repeat, my dear students. Here, the nidoblast cells, which are useful for defense and food capturing, and they are present in the tentacles. Alternation of generation, that is a metagenesis, is exhibited by the coelenterates. Very, very important, 2 marks. Say, asexual form alternates with the sexual form. Sexual form alternates with the asexual form. That is called alternation of generation or metagenesis. Asexual form produces sexual form. Sexual form produces asexual form. That is called metagenesis. Very, very important. These 2 points are very important, my dear students. In the EAMCET and the NEET also, these are important. Nidoblast and metagenesis is important. 2 body forms. What are those 2 body forms present in the body? They may ask you. Status is also very important for the EAMCET and the NEET characters, my dear students. So every day you are watching the videos, you are following my videos, encourage me to do more. Thank you, my dear students. Like, share, subscribe Rupa's Education. So encourage me to do more. Thank you, my dear students. Okay, in the next class we will discuss Coelenterata classification. ఒక చిన్న పాయింట్స్, ఒక 2 పాయింట్స్ మిస్ అయ్యాయి. అదే ఇంతకుముందు చెప్పిన దానిలో పాలిప్ మెడూజా డిఫరెన్సెస్ అడుగుతారు ఒక్కోసారి. ఇన్ ద పాలిప్ మెడూజా, they exhibits alternation of generation. Coelenterates exhibit alternation of generation, and they have 2 body forms అని we have discussed. So in that polyp and medusa లో సిలిండ్రికల్ అంటే మీకు ఒక డయాగ్రామ్ కనబడుతుంది, ఒబీలియా. సో ఓకే, సిలిండ్రికల్ అంటే దాని యొక్క బాడీ సిలిండ్రికల్గా ఉంటుంది. అండ్ ద అంబ్రిల్లా షేప్డ్ స్ట్రక్చర్, అరీలియా, ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అరీలియా కనబడుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ సెడెంటరీ అంటే ఇట్ కెనాట్ మూవ్. ఫ్రీ స్విమ్మింగ్ అంటే ఇట్ కెన్ స్విమ్ ఇన్ ద వాటర్. ఎసెక్షువల్ ఫామ్ అని అంటే ఎసెక్షువల్ ఫామ్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ దెర్ ఇస్ నో ఫార్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ గ్యామెట్స్. దట్ ఈస్ ద బడ్డింగ్ కావచ్చు, లేకపోతే ఇంకా వేరే ప్రాసెస్ ద్వారా సెక్షువల్ రిప్రొడక్షన్ జరుగుతుంది. సెక్షువల్ ఫామ్, సో ఇట్ ఎగ్జిబిట్స్ సెక్షువల్ రిప్రొడక్షన్, దట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ గ్యామెట్స్ టేక్స్ ప్లేస్. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈస్ ఒబీలియా అండ్ అరీలియా. With this, we are completed Coelenterata general characters. Coelenterata general characters లో ఇది ఒక ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్, అండ్ ఈ 2 మార్క్స్కి వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాబట్టి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి నేను చెప్పడం జరిగింది. ఓకే మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్, ఫాలో ద వీడియోస్.